Hello again and welcome back. So, here we are in college writing, academic writing from paragraph to essay. Today's lesson is about pre-write, getting ready to write. This is a very primary lessons about writing, so take care of to take notes whatever you understand. Take sticky notes in your notebooks for better understanding, and I'm sure that is will be very useful and at the future. So try to take sticky notes at your notebooks for better understanding and your learnings, guys. So let's start. Pre-writing, getting ready to write. In this unit, we will learn how to choose and narrow a topic, gather ideas, edit the lessons. So, firstly, let's discuss that what is pre-writing. Before you begin writing, you decide what you are going to write about it. Then you plan what you are going to write. This process is called pre-writing. It's very simple, guys. When you are writing something, the steps of your writing from first that you're deciding choosing a topic and also organizing your idea, finalizing all of them is called pre-writing. Okay, pre-writing or getting ready to write. So let's jump to other part, choosing and narrowing a topic. How to choose a topic for a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of five dense sentences that give information about the topic before you write. You must choose a topic for your paragraph. See, guys, it says about the paragraph that a paragraph is made up of 10 sentences, maybe or 12 sentences that gives information about topic. A topic, okay? So, how did we should choose the topic? Here are some informations and sticky things. Say there is choose a topic that isn't too narrow, limited or brief. Too narrow isn't too narrow means limited, brief. A narrow topic will not have enough audience to write about it. The ages of my brothers and sister is too narrow. You can write very much about it. So what's the point here, guys? It says when you're choosing a topic for your a paragraph, you should not choose a topic that is very narrow or limited briefs. Limited briefs mean something that a topic that is very short. It doesn't give you so much information to write a paragraph. It will give like just three or four lines or sentences that is not enough for a paragraph. Okay, like there is an example: the ages of my brothers and sisters is too narrow. I cannot write a paragraph about it because it's a narrow, it's a limited brief. It's so short. When I write about this topic, so it will be just two or three sentences, not more than more than that. So it will not be a paragraph. Okay, the other one is choose a topic that isn't too broad or general. A broad topic will have too many ideas for just one paragraph. Most paragraph are five then sentences or long. Schools is too general. There are thousands of school or things that you could say about it. So the other one is you should not choose a topic that is a broad or a general. Like when you choose a general topic, you cannot just organize all of your ideas because the topic has a lot of informations and things that you should talk about it, and just a paragraph is not enough for that. Okay, like when you're talking about a school, so what kind of school in the country? It's private school, like universities, colleges, and also like a government school. What kind of school you're going to talk about? School is a very general topic, yeah. So you should choose a topic specific that this is my topic. I want to talk about private schools. I want to talk about colleges, like method of college. Yeah, I want to talk about method of college. I just specify that I want to talk about this one because what this is a specific. If I talk about just a college, so a paragraph is not enough about it. So I should add a lot of information and things in it that is going to be out of the paragraph. Okay, so take care of these points. A student could narrow this topic by choosing one aspect of schools to discuss schools, like high schools in my country, popular school clubs, and university entrance exam. As here it says, like you should just specify that what you are going to talk about, not a general topic, because you are going to just confuse you because there will be a lot of information and the things that you cannot just make that in one paragraph. Okay. So the first one is choose three topics from the list. Now each of the three down to the paragraph. See here it says that choose the three topics from the list. Narrow each of the three down to a paragraph topic, then compare it with a partner. A is holiday, B is friends, C is my country, and D is dancing and course. Okay, we're going to discuss about this one later. I'm going to tell you that what you're going to do with this. So just imagine the topics that we're talking about is school. Mhm. So firstly is brainstorming. So what is brainstorming, guys? Brainstorming is a way of gathering ideas about the topic. When you choose a topic, so what you're going to do, what is the next step is brainstorming. What is brainstorming? So brainstorming is something the step of that you're like thinking about a topic and gathering ideas, informations about your topic is called brainstorming. Like think of a storm, the thousands of a drops rain all coming down together. Now imagine thousands of ideas raining down onto your paper. Then when you brainstorm, write down every idea that comes to you. Don't worry now about like whether the ideas are good or silly, useful or not. Okay, you can decide that later. Right now, you are in gathering as many as idea as you can. Okay, you will learn three types of brainstorming in this until making making a list, free writing, and mapping. They're very different. Okay. So as you in this text says like the brainstorming, the part of that when you are choosing a topic, next step is brainstorming. Like you're gathering informations, ideas when you choose a topic. Oh my gosh, you got a lot of ideas in your head. Like this is the school, what kind of school you talk about the teachers. Should I first about talk about teachers and these things? A lot of ideas come to you about the teachers, the quality of the lesson, the students, a lot of things come to you. Yeah, that one is brainstorming. Okay, that one is a brainstorm. And the greatest examples in that picture, like, see, there's an umbrella on, like, the rain is come on your, like, there is question marks. There's a lot of information come to your in on hay, and you should write all of them in your paper, whatever it is. It makes me, it sounds like silly and maybe not useful, but no worries, you should write it. That step is one data step calls brainstorming, and we have three types of brainstorming. One is making list, free writing, and mapping. So what's making a list? First one is write single words or phrases, sentences that are connected to your topic. Look at the list of a student made of brainstorming ideas to write about her topic. What should I study in college? Okay, so like you should add a list there that where I want to talk about the story of my school, like maybe the English teachers or the English writing, or I will talk about the science and chemistry, and I will write about these things. You should make a list about it. Yeah, yeah. As you say, just you're going to write the words or the phrases or sentences that are connected to your topic and list them all up to your paper. And the other one is like work with a partner or a small group. Choose one of this topic. List of many ideas you can like um change fashions, things to do at the beach, and driving motorcycle. So now you're not going to do that. I will tell you what you're going to do. So the other part is free writing. What is free writing? When you free write, you write whatever comes into your head about your topic without stopping. Most free writing exercise or be short, just 5 or 10 minutes. Free writing help you to practice fluency, writing quickly and easily. When you free write, you don't need to worry about accuracy, having correct grammar and spelling. Don't check your dictionary when you free write. Don't stop if you make mistakes. Just keep writing. That part, when you start writing after having a lot of ideas in your head, is called pre-writing. You write without any stopping on that. You just get a paper and start writing about your topic that you have choose. You write about all of the ideas you have, no problem. That is like maybe it's like not doesn't make sense or maybe have grammar mistakes or the words are not like connect the sentences. No worries, just write. That step is called free writing. So let's go to other part. Mapping. To make a map, use a whole sheet of paper and write your topic in the middle and what a circle around it. Then put the next idea in an article above or below your topic and connect to the circles with the lines. The lines show that the two ideas are related. Guys, see here, this one is mapping. This is a mapping and this is a circle. See, what should I do? You put your idea here and then there is a lot of ideas. You're just circling them, yeah? The sports and connecting to topic. You're making list. You're mapping all the things here, like they connected to the ideas. Here is the things. You just make a circle in the middle of the paper. You write your topic there, and then you write the other ideas related to your topic that you are going to talk about it and write about it in here just like this and connect it to the topic. See, there's like I want to talk about biology, science, physics, math, etc, and these things like in here think of that the topic that I have used is about schools and the things that I'm going to talk about is my favorite subjects, English, like good subjects for jobs, and these things are just connected. Okay, this called is mapping. So in other page is talking about editing. I don't want to go through all of the passage and the text. I want to just explain it to you briefly. So how to edit. Guys, after you got all of your information, you have written all of them. So what do you need to do? The thing that you need to do is to edit the all things that you write on your paper. Because when you have write in free writing, you didn't care about the words, you didn't care about the grammar, you didn't care about the spelling, and you didn't care about anything else. But in here in editing, you need to edit and see which one is correct, which one is false, which one doesn't make sense, which one is not relative. You should correct the grammar spells and all things, yeah? So this part is called editing. When you have, Alexi, let me circle that for you guys. Yeah, see, this is a notebook. You have write all of your informations here. Like I've chosen my topic about the school. You have a lot of informations here. See, and here it just that one doesn't make sense for me. and just remove that one and add some sentences, some ideas that is necessary and making sense and is related to my topic. The other ones that is not related, I will just remove them. Okay, I will just remove them. I'm making them correct. Okay, and there is also is making in mapping, yeah. So there is the idea, here is the idea, there are some ideas that is are not related, are not making sense in my topic. I'm just removing them and read it all of the things that I have written. Okay, this part is called editing. What we do an edit part, we edit the paper or the writing that we have right, the things that we have right, the all things, grammar, sentences, informations. We can add also informations, we can remove informations, we can add informations, we can correct the grammar, we can correct the spellings and all things. Okay. Then after this editing and reviewing all of your parts, and see this is the reviewing and editing all of your parts to get a final draft. You should write all of that in your new paper, like very beautifully, correctly organized, and all things. When you've done all of these ones, you see that what is the difference here? You see that there's a lot of things, yeah? You see, like the writing you have done before, the differences, just put the first paper, like with your final result and see what is the differences. You are gonna see a lot of things there, and you see that what these steps do with your writing. Okay, so what is your homework, guys? Your homework is to, let me show you the topics here. There was some topics. Yeah. A is holiday, B is friends, C is my country, D is dancing, and E is score. You have 5 topics here. You should choose one of the topics and do all of these steps to that topic and to that paragraph and send me that final result, and not the final result. All I need all of the steps. You should take the picture of all of the result that you have done to your notebook from like your first draft that so guys, let me tell you another thing that you should not forget about it. When you choose a topic here, your homework, I'm talking about your homework. When you choose a topic here, guys, so we will come to here. There's like, as I said here, in brainstorming, this is like 3 types. I have making list, free writing, and mapping. From one of them, you can do just one. You should choose just one of them, okay? Because you're just be confused. You need just one of them, not all of them. Whatever each of them is that is easy, or you understand it better, and that makes you like that type is good for you, or fit for you, you can choose that one and go with that. Okay, you didn't need to do all of the brainstorming types. Just choose one, like making list or free writing or and mapping. You can just choose one of them and go ahead. Okay, you should do all of these parts and send me your paragraph and for first draft, your brainstorming, your edit part, and your final draft to me. Okay, this is your homework. Any question regarding to lesson, any suggestion, or anything else regarding to your lesson, you can ask me to question group. So thank you very much for you guys.